Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS, and we're going to go over how you would remove the door panel so that you can gain access to all the components that are behind it, the window regulator, and so forth. So to remove the door panel, first you need to start with is we need to pop this little cover off, and there's a Phillips screwdriver in there, and then right in here is where the other two screws for the handle are. So using a flat screwdriver or a pick tool, you can be able to pop this cover and remove it, and then with a Phillips we can undo that screw. And then you're going to see right here is your handle to pull the door closed, but we just need to pull this little cover up, and then as we pull it up, there are two Phillips screws inside here that we need to undo. So with those screws undone here, this screw undone here, now we'll take our tool and just be able to get in there, a screwdriver, and you're going to pop all the push pins. These push pins are pretty tough initially, and so you just work your way around. We'll make sure we get all those push pins, and once they're done, then you'll be able to pick the door up. So we're able to prop the door up, pull it away a little bit. We'll need to disconnect the door handle here, and this you're just gonna pop. This has like a clip, so you're gonna push both sides down. We got some needle nose pliers to be able to press this clip together. Okay. So we got that undone. Now we can pull the whole door panel away from the vehicle and remove it. On this handle we have this clip that pushes through, and so you needed to push these two tabs together so that it would pull out. And you'll also undo this connector, which is just this little T-hook that goes inside here. And then we had one electrical connector, this big one right here, that connects into this module. Now we'll set this aside to be able to do other stuff, and we're going to go over how you would remove your speaker to replace it if you need to replace your speaker. This is the driver's side door. Same would apply to the passenger side door on the front. So to start with, we've removed the door panel, the inner door panel, and then that way we gain access to the speaker. This is the Bose speaker. It's the premium speaker, so you want to make sure you're going to get the premium speaker for your model. There are some slightly different speakers, but this one has the Bose one. So to start with, after we've had our door panel removed, you're going to press this little connector here and be able to unplug the electric to it. Then we have 4 bolts to remove, and they are a 1/4 inch, or it'd be a 6.5 size socket or wrench. Right, so we're going to remove these 4 bolts. These other 4 are what holds the bracket on to the door itself, but when you buy the speaker, you're only buying this outside piece. Okay, so we've removed those 4 screws, bolts that hold it on. You'll want to use your flat blade screwdriver to be able to pop the seal, which is this rubber gasket that is holding this speaker in place. And then that way you can remove this. So once you get your new one, you'll just go in the reverse order by installing. We want to make sure that our electrical connector is still over here so that the power supply will hook in. And we'll take our 4 screws or bolts and install them and tighten them up. And then once those are tight, then we can go ahead and connect electrical connector, and then you would put your door panel back on. Now, when we put this back on, this is a not unique, but you're gonna see you've got this is your electrical connector, and we have around the side we have 2 very long plastic pins. And these plastic pins we're gonna line up in the hole on both sides, and then once that's lined up, that electrical connector is right there. We'll be able to line up right here with this white connector, and when you press it in, it all tightens and connects. Sometimes this will come free and then you've released it manually, but it just should press right in there. Now, number 1, we're going to want to make sure that we hook this up so that we can use our lever, and that you just got to put in and then twist it, and then you just press the clip in there. And now we're going to line up first. You want to put the top edge into the weather stripping. Just like that. And we make sure that that pin is lined up. Okay, just one of the pins wasn't lining up over here. Now it's all lined up, and as we press all the way around, snap all those pins into place, and as we do that, if it's all lined up properly, our electric should be lined up. Okay, so I'm just testing the plug here, and we can see that the electric is connected. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to unlock or lock our car. So that's all, we're all good there. Now we can put the small screw that goes in here, and there's 2 screws that go right in here. So this top one is just a Phillips number 2. This little plastic cover that you're gonna put in, and you line it up and snap that into place. And then 2 big long Phillips number 3 coarse screws that are going to go right in there. And once you've put these 2 screws in and tightened it, then you can just push this, there's a little flap that you'll push down and it'll cover those up. And so that's how you would reinstall your inner door panel on your 2011 Cadillac STS. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be